Kind regard, everybody. My name is Jimmy Mauricio Ramirez, tutor and partners. In this video, I going to develop the task number 7, recording. In order we start the first part, you're ready. Okay, let's get started. Emotion are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only short time, are clearly direct, are caused by someone or something circumstance. Positive emotion include joy, praise, relief, love, and confession. We must share positive and generally to others. But I always try to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. The second part is minimal part: cat, bad, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, stick, curve, cut, pin, bin, pure, pure, teach, pitch, day, pay, big, pink, pure, pure, duck, back, date, bait, tall, cold, tool, cool, tape, cake, toad, coat, town, gone, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, gore, tack, gag, table, gable, thin, pen, tail, fail, ton, fun, big, big. The third part, intonation, a statement with one stretch. She works. We love. It stopped. A statement with two stress. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. A statement with three stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. A statement with five stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you bought yesterday. A special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where had you been? General question, rising intonation. Had you reading this book? Had you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Or I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag question, falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't fought ill, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Response. I can, she is, he will, you should. I can't, he didn't. Uh, Thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you. Goodbye.